Circle the correct interrogative pronouns in the following sentences. So we have to check the correct option here. What or who did you see off at the airport? Here see off means whom did you go and gave a send off. Okay, so we are referring here to a person. So we'll say who did you see off? Who or which gives you all this advice? So we'll say who gives you. Which, who comb is yours? So it is again which comb is yours. What or who did you put into the kettle? What did you put into the kettle? Which or who is your best friend? I think you all know who is your best friend. Who or which car belongs to Karthik? So it is which car belongs to Karthik. What or which is your mother's name? So what? Who, what wants to play with me? So we'll say who wants to play with me. What or which is this piano doing here? So we'll say what is this piano doing here? Who or which is she? So who is she? Okay, so we are done with pronouns, and there's a small concept given here about the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Now how can you make a difference between a possessive adjective? And possessive adjective also has this, and so see here adjectives my, his, hers, are, their, yours. The same we have in pronouns as well. Now how can we make a difference? How can we say this is a pronoun or this is an adjective? So let us look at an example. This car is Rajni's. Here car is a noun, and this, before the car we have the pronoun here as this. Okay, so when there is a noun after the possessive case, we call the word as a possessive adjective. Okay, because adjective describes a noun. Here we are describing the car here, this car. So we call the pronoun this as a possessive adjective. It's not a pronoun, it's a possessive adjective. The car is hers. So here hers is, you can say it's in possessive case, but is it a pronoun or an adjective? How can we identify it? So here there is no noun before this word. Before this possessive case there is no noun here, so we call this word or this possessive case as a possessive pronoun. If you want to replace the noun with a possessive adjective, we will write this is her car. Okay, now again car, here now it is a noun, and before a noun there is a possession word here, possessive case. So if any possessive or any demonstrative is followed by a noun, we call these words as a possessive adjective. Clear now? Only one simple trick. If there is a noun before or immediately after the noun, we call it as a possessive adjective. If there is no noun before or after the word, we call it as a possessive pronoun. That's the simple difference, and these are the pronouns and adjectives we use in various sentences. Okay, now this revision we'll do it later, and our next topic will be articles. It's a simple topic, okay, but I want you to once go through it. Even you can attempt these questions, do these questions if you are able to do it, because it's a simple topic. Okay, thank you.